Alright guys, what we have here today is a Mazda 3 with an MOT failure. I'm going to make the video very short today. So this is the MOT failure report. This is the MOT failure report. So it says about track rod and then suspension arm pin or bush behind. So the owner has gotten everything that needs to be fixed. This is a track rod. This is the bush for the wheels behind. He's got two of them. So what we're going to do is take out the wheels. So we'll start with the bush first. Take out the wheels. Take out the back wheels, and then we start from there. So guys, I've just put the jack on the car on Azu stand on both legs. As you can see, it's got so much rust down here. So what I'm gonna do first is put some WD-4 to soften the screws and the bolt for easy loosening. Alright guys, this is what we'll be removing today. So the bolts here and the one here is already out. So what is left is just to push it down and put the new one there. Okay, let's see. As you can see, it's out now. Left for us to put the new one there. So we are repeating this same process on the other side. So it's just basically the same process, and then put the wheels back, and that's all. Alright guys, this is the new one. Basically this contour portion here is going to be facing like this. So it's going to go in like this, and then we put the screws back in. This one goes in like this. Make sure it's well set. Sorry, I've got one hand, and then what we'll just do, yes, so on that side, that one is okay there. It's now left for us to fix this part, and that's it. And then we screw it and we repeat the same process on the other side, and that's what it takes to replace the bush on the rear axle. Ṣé ń lọ sìn? Okay now. Ó wá padà dé now. When you come back. So we fill the wheel back now, and that is it. So simple. Anyone that has the tools can do it by themselves.